market, directly behind me.
Hello guys, from eccentric Camden Town here in London. It's turned out to be a beautiful day. I've got my umbrella here just in case because it was raining cats and dogs earlier. Grab a cup of tea, cup of coffee or something stronger if you want. Sit and relax and enjoy this vlog. Let's go and explore. Here we got an area called Inverness Street Market. Some football stuff for sale here. Liverpool, Man City, lots of these London, Oxford University signs. Hello sir, how are you? All right. Jackets, David Bowie, the Gorillas, so music stuff here. Camden Town, some colourful stuff here. You've got a Brazilian restaurant here, made in Brazil, with the Christ the Redeemer statue. We've got Pokemon and basketball. It's an off-licensed shop here with a little sausage dog. Setting up for business. Yeah, so this is an area renowned for street markets, street food, and we are spoiled for choice. Yeah, this container style street market is actually quite popular in London. You can see old shipping containers used for the exterior. Just cross the road here and you got some more shops here. Rooftop terrace, fine dining, market stalls. So you can see in these containers here, coffee shop, more coffees here, smoothies. Of course the buildings here in Camden Town are all very quirky, painted in fun colors. Just look at that. For us in culture can't be forgotten. Lots of shoe shops of course here as well. Graffiti for the people. If you're a fan of Van shoes, come here. Here's a Indian shop, Namaste, with some Indian garments and fabrics. Himalayan salt lamps over there. It's just a lovely area to walk around as well. Traditionally the market used to be open on Sundays many years ago, and since then they started trading on Saturdays and eventually the whole week, but today is Sunday, so it's a traditional market day here in Camden. Here's a rainbow street crossing. Some more beautiful graffiti there on the buildings. All you can eat Camden Market. Some information on where we are. Way over here we're heading to the Camden Lock Village. Cold steel body piercing.
Directly behind me, record CD and vinyl fair.
That's an interesting way to advertise a particular place or shop. And here's the famous Camden Lock sign. Yeah, let's cross the road and explore this part of Camden Town. How's this for a shop name? Skinny Dip. Odd Balls. There's a Peaky Blinders something in this direction. Here you've got Market Hall. Just in front of me here you've got Charlie the Horse exhibition. You go on this, you can learn about our history and the significance of horses to the Camden Market. Some hats and gloves, caps, food stalls in this part of the market. Orange juice, in West Yard, Camden Market.
Hein? Tu mets un jus d'orange?
Lots of people queuing up for lunch or a snack. Donuts, burgers and fries. A Yorkshire burrito. All Black supporters as well here in Camden Town. CamdenPianoRescue.com. Here you got some more street food stalls. Indonesian food, Colombian street food. And over here, this is actually the canal, the water. Smoothies for sale. Dutch pancakes. Yeah, so very international vibe here. Popular with tourists, this part of London. More of a canal. So Camden Lock was formerly a wharf with stables here on the Regents Canal. But now it forms a key part of the wider Camden market. The architect of Regents Canal was actually John Nash, who was also the architect of Buckingham Palace. Canal cruises you can go on. There's even a sign that says Liverpool 302 miles. That could be an interesting journey here on this canal to Liverpool. So here's a jewellery market of some sort. Some posters here, and I noticed this over here. This is depictions of Amy Winehouse, who of course was from Camden. Audrey Hepburn, Muhammad Ali, David Bowie, Blondie, there's James Bond. Gallery frames, Lower Market Hall. Exit here, more clothes. Get caricatured here. Portraits. And look at that. That over there is none other than Shaka Zulu. So if you're a South African, this is one place to come and eat. It's a pretty famous restaurant here in Camden. Babylon Park. Greetings, Earthlings. Yeah, just markets and street food in all directions here in Camden. You can get hot pot, Indian food, falafel, magic juice, Camden retro signs. It's going to the coal exchange. Chupa chups. Some denim jackets, chess sets. Hello. Check this out, the Beagles, Potter Cats, Queen Elizabeth as the Joker. Just a little bit off the beaten trail. You've got more shops, Camden locks, piercings, £20 or from £20. Camden gift here with some really funky sunglasses. You've got some London and New York caps. Come and get a daring look here. Hello sir. Camden Town. With like a turn on, turn off button. So let's turn on Camden Town. Some interesting street art here as well. Brian from Family Guy. Here's a good slogan. Wake up and start to dream. Absolutely. And some more inspirational posters here on this side. Today I feel defiant, balanced, game, legendary, etc. Inspirational messages here in Camden. Yeah, this guy in this uniform here, he must be sick and tired of all the tourists asking for photos, but maybe he loves it. Certainly sends out a very robust message.
Oh yeah! Oh yeah!
got Camden Market, Hawley Wharf. I saw a sign there, we love Camden. Just walking down here, the canal again. More clothes shops. Ah yes, the sound of water. So this side of the Regents Canal, there's a little cycle path, footpath here, as you can see there. What have we got here? So a cornerstone laid on the 11th day of July 1876. More interesting graffiti. Right, so back at street level, let's check out more of Camden. So lots of basketball shirts for sale. American sweet shop. There's American candy, so even though we're in London, lots of American stuff for sale. And here's the London stuff with a phone booth and Union Jack. My friend or my sister went to London, all I got was this lousy t-shirt. Oh, that's pretty cool. Lollies. Oh yeah, it's okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Frida Kahlo. There's Bob Marley. Mugs. Some famous faces. Over here as well. Wow. Vintage clothes down here. Check this out. Licorice, all sorts art. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Thank you.
Smoking lips. It's just generally good for people watching as well, this part of town. Lots of interesting characters. You can buy a raincoat, but I've got my umbrella just in case. On the other side of a road there, wow, look at that. Funky Town shop. ShopRite market in the same font as ShopRite. London-based stuff for sale here. London t-shirt.
For what are you doing this?
For a YouTube, sir.
Which channel?
Village Explore, I'll show you.
Yeah?
Yeah. Street names, Camden Town, Baker Street, and of course the classic, Keep Calm and Carry On. You've got Abbey Road, synonymous with the Beatles, London phone booth. And of course Lizzie over there. Kate Hudson, in that photo there. Not sure what she's doing there. Thank you very much, sir. Oh, this looks like heaven for someone with a sweet tooth. Bubble waffle. Ice cream for dessert. If you like Nutella, this is where you should come. Nutella goodies for sale there, and Nutella deck chairs. So what do you think of Camden Town? Let me know in the comments. If you like markets and if you like graffiti, this is definitely an interesting place to come. You got a interesting scene here as well. That almost like a Picasso. And some more street art. This is really off the beaten track, so I'm not sure how many people have seen this, but you will be seeing it as part of the vlog. And here's another one with the pigeons flying past. Here on Buck Street. So yeah guys, this is actually where I think I'll end my vlog. I hope you enjoyed this afternoon visit here in Camden Town. We did some people watching, we went to some markets. Just want to say thank you to all my subscribers. I really appreciate each and every one of you. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching my videos, and I'll see you again soon.